Here's a pair of Sony Bluetooth headphones, model number WH-CH520. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect this directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So first thing is go to your settings on your Samsung TV. You can just click on the home button. And then what you want to do is go all the way down to the 3 horizontal lines. So we're going to move to the left, and now we go to the settings, the gear icon. Right there, settings, click on OK on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down one to sound, right there. We're going to click on enter or select on the remote. And now you see sound output is currently coming out of my TV speakers, but now we want it to come out of these headphones. So sound output, we're going to go ahead and click on OK right there. And now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list, right there. OK that. Now you see it says searching. It's searching for devices that's near me that's in pairing mode. So now we got to put this into pairing mode, okay? So if we look on one of the ear cups here, you have 3 buttons here, okay? You have volume up, power/Bluetooth, volume down. We're only going to worry about with this button, the power button/Bluetooth button, okay? What you want to do is press and hold that until this LED light here blinks, blue, 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 blue. We'll do it together. Power button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold, just keep holding. Just wait till it blinks blue, blue, still holding. Blue, 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 blue. Now we'll look on there, and what do you know? It found it right there. The CH520 needs pairing. Go down there. Click OK on the remote. Pair and connect. Click on OK again. Okay, since it is connected, you can see it says connected right there as well. And when you're connected, you can increase, decrease volume as well. We can increase volume, or we can decrease as well. Now, if you guys had issues where you couldn't pair or you had issues connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below.